In this video we're taking a closer look at the Acorns investment app to find out if it's really worth your money. Acorns is a micro-investing platform that helps you grow wealth automatically by rounding up spare change from daily purchases and investing it into diversified portfolios. It's designed for beginners who want an easy, hands-off approach to investing without needing deep market knowledge. The app offers automatic investing, recurring deposits, and portfolio rebalancing. It even includes extras like retirement accounts, a checking option, and educational resources. The biggest advantage? It makes saving and investing effortless, helping people build consistent habits over time. However, there are downsides. The fixed monthly fees, ranging from $3 to $12, can eat into returns, especially for small balances. You also have limited control over your investments, can't pick individual stocks, and there's no tax loss harvesting like some advanced robo-advisors offer. So, is Acorns worth it? If you're new to investing and want a simple, automated way to start building wealth, it's a solid choice. But if you're experienced, looking for flexibility, or want to minimize fees, there are cheaper and more customizable options out there. Backhand index pointing right. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more honest app reviews.